We've got Vie Odyssey,
Okay.
and they call themselves the first perpetual world cruise. They got this luxury ship. It's designed specifically for people who just want to live at sea, like all the time.
Interesting.
Right.
Yeah.
So Villa V, it seems like they're catering to like this desire for like luxury,
Yeah.
but also convenience. Like
Uh,
they take care of all the details, right? Like
yeah.
planning the itinerary,
Yeah.
providing like all the like top-notch amenities so people can just relax and enjoy the trip.
Oh, I like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so picture this. You're on like a smaller ship, just 8 decks. Right.
Max. Like 650 residents.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so that means you can get into those like charming smaller ports
Yeah.
that the megaships can't even fit in.
Right, right.
And the itinerary, hold on tight. We're talking a 3.5-year circumnavigation, hitting 425 destinations in 147 countries.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Their itinerary, it is pretty impressive. It's not just about hitting those major tourist spots.
Right.
They've got like these longer stays in like different regions, so you can like really immerse yourself in, the local cultures. Like, for example, they got 127 days dedicated to South America,
Wow.
105 days in North America.
Okay.
And then they even have like a dedicated segment just for exploring Japan and the Philippine Sea.
That's pretty cool.
Right. That's pretty far from your typical like week-long cruise. And then they offer like all these different residency options to suit all these different budgets and lifestyles.
Okay.
So you could just buy a villa outright.
Okay.
Or you could do a pay-as-you-go plan, or even like a shorter-term option. Like they got this program, Tour La Vie, because it opens it up to more people.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Not just the people who are ready to commit to full ownership.
Right.
So it's almost like choosing between like renting and buying a home.
Yeah. I see what you mean.
But your home is a, floating paradise.